Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in today. This is our host, Pran, CEO here at Gen Z Marketing. Welcome to part 4 of the Art of SEO series and day 10 of the coronavirus quarantine. Speaking of that, we'll be making a video regarding the virus and how you can make the most of this quarantine, because I know a lot of you for business owners, you're struggling right now, right? Because you can't go to work, or your employees can't go to work, you can't even go fulfill your services, blah blah blah. So subscribe so you don't miss that. We got a juicy video here: SEO versus social media marketing. Grab your popcorn. This is a controversial topic, so keep in mind we offer both social media marketing and SEO. So there's a bias here. We're marketing consultants first, then we're ads or social SEO experts, right? So before I start, both social media marketing and SEO are amazing ways to bring in revenue, both and more business in the hands of an expert. But an expert also knows the shortcomings of their art. So let's start by discussing the pros and cons of SEO and social media marketing. What is SEO? Basically, organic listings on the search engines, right? I'm not going to spend too much time discussing what is SEO because we made a video just for that, so go check that out. It's our first video in the Art of SEO playlist. But I'll just make a quick search. Lawyers, Winnipeg. Again, I use Winnipeg a lot. I'm from Winnipeg, even though we're based out of London, Ontario. Okay, so this right here, these are all organic listings. This is an organic listing, and that's an ad, okay? So what is social media marketing? Basically, any social media site such as Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, or even LinkedIn has an ads platform, right? The majority of the world spends a vast amount of time on these platforms, so it's not a surprise when everyone and their mother wants to buy ads. Social media marketing can be split into two things: ads and content creation slash engagement. Okay, social media is amazing and unbeatable when it comes to creating brand loyalty and engagement. Simply because the search engines, so like Google, Yahoo, were not created for that purpose. They weren't created to help with brand loyalty and whatnot. They're not meant to create profiles of people. They're simply meant to answer questions, right? But back to social media marketing. Ads work, but remember, at the end of the day, they are ads, okay? Good social media marketing consists of building a personal ad campaign targeting individuals, bringing them along a sales cycle and a sales funnel that's carefully curated to help optimize the highest conversion rate. All right? Getting your name out there to potential clients and customers that don't even know your business exists. It's pretty foolproof, so why wouldn't you want to use social media marketing? Ladies and gentlemen, nothing in marketing is straightforward. So let's get right into this argument. Social media has taken the world and the marketing world by storm. Unsurprisingly, many savvy business owners have pursued with much enthusiasm. They want to buy ads, blah blah blah. We've had businesses range from lawyers to plumbers asking us to manage their social media and run ads for them. Our answer is why. Why would a plumber need to have a booming social media account and run ads when they can't even rank for top five in all searches in the industry for all of their services? Don't get me wrong. Social media is great for almost every business as it lets the business interact and engage their customers. But that's really it. Social media is a great supporting platform built for precise ad targeting, but it can and never beat SEO in terms of sales cycle, revenue, and ROI. Okay? Before you shoot me, let me finish. Firstly, it does not bring new clients to the same level SEO can. Nobody is and will ever search lawyers Winnipeg on Instagram. If this is you, call us. Please, please, please. Don't use social media marketing like a cheap billboard ad. That's not what it's designed for. Speaking of billboards, subscribe so you can see the last video of this series, SEO versus traditional marketing. But back to the lawyers Winnipeg example. Guess what? Potential clients will search on Google because that is a purpose. You ask a question, they bring you an answer. That's what the search engines are created for, right? Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat are not designed to be search engines. They're social media platforms created to connect people. That's basically it. Social media ads excel on getting small ads. So what do I mean by small ads? Pretty much they can be realized, small ads that can be realized into a full purchase down the sales cycle. Immediate purchases or commitment, or like if you expect you're a lawyer and you're running an ad, and you expect someone to ask for directions by just seeing your ad on their Instagram feed. That's not gonna happen. There's no immediate commitment there, right? A good social media marketer gets a small ask like an email, then keyword retargets. Retargets, okay? Retargeting is how you get sales through social media. But again, social media is perfect for e-commerce or very niche businesses and industries that are emerging, or maybe you have a groundbreaking product that will create its own industry and market. All right, social media will beat SEO due to the simple fact that there is no market for your product or service yet. Therefore, there aren't enough searches for your product, right? That's basically it. SEO supplies, social media creates demand, right? That's the verdict. SEO supplies, social media creates demands. Key. This is very key. Basic economics, supply is easier to match than creating demand and want, right? Creating brand new demand and want is significantly harder than just having a supply of services, because there is demand, right? When people search on the search engines, lawyers Winnipeg, they aren't searching it for fun. They're looking for lawyers in Winnipeg, right? So therefore, in most cases, SEO will win. But social media is a great supporting platform to keep your customers engaged. And ads will only work if they're personalized and they're retargeting and they have great landing pages, blah, 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 blah. If you guys want, shoot a comment down below if you want us to create a social media video just talking about how to create a good ad campaign. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, learned something, and want more comment. Comment below if you have any questions or just want to say hi. Baba and I or someone else from the team, make sure that you get your answer. And if this video is giving you some clarity, reach out to us. We would like to work. And if you would like to work with us and dominate your industry. Okay? So subscribe if you don't want to miss the last video of our Art of SEO series. And cheers. Stay safe, guys.